I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Acura MDX engine air filter, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood, locate the air box near the engine, and remove its clips or screws. Inspect the old filter for dirt, replace it if clogged, and ensure the new filter seats snugly. Reassemble the air box, secure clips, and run the engine briefly to confirm proper installation. Before you begin, gather a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, pliers, a new OEM or high-quality aftermarket filter, and a clean rag. I like to keep a small tray for screws so nothing gets lost. If you prefer extra safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal, but it's not always required. Make sure you work in a well-lit spot and wear gloves if you want cleaner hands during the swap. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make hands-free cleaning effortless. While you change the Acura MDX air filter, let the robot tackle garage dust and crumbs. It's a small convenience that saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the air box and unclip or unscrew the fasteners while noting their positions. Lift out the old filter and inspect the housing for leaves or debris, then vacuum if needed. Insert the new filter with the correct orientation, press the lid closed evenly, and secure all clips or screws. Double-check the seal so no unfiltered air gets in, then start the engine to confirm normal idle and enjoy smoother performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.